new tech isn't always better. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Festus Obi, and on YouTube I make videos for students who are chasing the tech degree or for people who are still trying to get into the tech industry from different walks of life. And today's video is titled New Tech Isn't Better. Trust me, it's not a clickbait. Just follow me closely and you understand where I'm going with this. Before I proceed, guys, for those of you that have been watching and following my channel for a while now, you'll notice that there are some changes going on, and that's because I'm setting up a new studio. It's not yet done. As you can see, the shelf is still rough. There are cables laying up and about top there. I still don't know what I'm about to do with this space, but yeah, that's it for now. And let's move on to today's video. The title of today's video is New Tech Isn't Always Better. What do I mean by this? Without further ado, let me just give you a short story. So when I was starting my journey in coding, there was one thing that I was really not getting right, and this contributed to the reason why my journey, my learning phase was longer than it should have been. And this is trying to be among the cool kids. What do I mean by this? The cool guys, so to say, so some people don't get offended. So I found myself jumping from one technology to the other to the next, simply because I wanted to, be among the people who knew this new stuff going around. So a typical example today would be, jumping to learn React after learning CSS. And I'm not saying that they don't bring something to the table. All I'm saying is while new technologies might be good for the industry, it might just not be good for you at the particular point you are in your journey. You might be learning it too early, and if you're learning it too early, you're doing yourself more harm than good. So the one thing that most new technologies actually bring or contribute to is, ease of maintenance, especially when the app is scaling, when the number of users are growing so super big and huge and unimaginable. That's part of the reason why most of these technologies are used. Another thing is ease of, the whole process, development to deployment. It's easier, faster than it used to be, simply because of most of these technologies. But in most cases, when you look at the older ones compared to the new ones, there isn't actually any much difference when it comes to functionality of the app. So why do you want to just, hurt yourself by jumping onto that new one because, your friend told you that, okay, in the US, people who do this get paid more. Someone else told you that in Canada, people who do this are, treated as gurus or something like that. What am I trying to say in essence? What I'm trying to say is, before you jump on to learn a new technology, try as much as you can to understand the base. Simply because if you spend much time understanding the base, in another example would be JavaScript. If you spend more time understanding what JavaScript is, you're basically even teaching yourself what the new framework is about even before you touch it, because you would understand where JavaScript fails, where it isn't actually doing it right. In that case, when you start using that new one, you would understand why things are done one way or the other. You would understand the need and the reason why this particular one was created. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to start building projects and you're slapping technologies in left and right simply because you think they are cool. So rounding up this video, new technologies might be good for the industry, but they are not always better for you, especially considering the point you are in your journey. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next week.